2 days ago, I was warning everyone about the VRA dip. We did dip. Basically, we talked about it on Friday, which was right here. We dipped over 10%, 14%, 15% since then. And the question is, what is going to happen now? Because right now, right here, there's a few things on the daily chart that I wanted to go over. The first one being this right here. Money flows definitely breaking out to the downside. When we had that here, we had a small curve up and then we dumped again. So what I would expect here is 1 or 2 days, because VWAP is going curving up. This briefing right here, 1 2 days, 1 to 3 days side. So basically flat or green, then we short the VWAP curve down. It's basically how we playing this trade. I'll have it on my daily chart here. VWAP is one with 1W. So basically this is how we'll be playing this candle right here. This is the price prediction for today. If you are interested in learning more from me, there's link in the description down below. Also, we're up a lot on meme coins, as you can see right here. So that's why I have this in the description. Also, some bonuses from BingX, 8 grand worth of bonuses for referees. And when you're using my links, you're also supporting the channel. Love you with all my heart and